Guys, I finally arrived here in Balay Sungayan, located in Guihulngan. So this part of my back, that's Mount Kalatkat. So refreshing on top. You pay 50 peso for the entrance fee and it's all worth it if the view is like this. Mountain, and at my back is Tanyon Strait. That massive ocean over there. So for now, let's enjoy the refreshing view on top. Let's go there. That one. That's the high part. Let's go there.
Hi everyone, welcome for another adventure. This is TheCebuanaph PH. If you can see in the video, we're facing Mount Kalatkat in Guihulngan. So we attended a wedding with my friend, and we will take this habal-habal ride going to Balay Sungayan for today's video. We just need to head back to the downtown and change our clothes because we need to climb stairs going to this Highland resort in Guihulngan City. So it has a nice overlooking view on top with nature and ocean. So let's check it out from this video. Just continue watching and consider subscribing if you are an adventurous or a traveler.
Finally, Balay Sungayan. Let's check my capability in hiking. Still have a little bit pain on my sprain. And I'll show you what I need to climb for this arvo. That one, guys. From where I'm standing, I need to climb that. That's Balay Sungayan here in Guihulngan. Oh, naabot na. Here in Balay Sungayan Mountain Resort. Ay, kangak.
Picture in that way.
Oh? Ay, kahangak. Oh. Oh. Halfway there, my goodness. It's been a while. I'm so glad that I was able to see the expansive view of Mount Kalatkat. For now, I'll just try Balay Sungayan. So we finally arrived. If you start hiking, there is no wind or air. But if you're already on top, oh gosh, so refreshing. We arrived! Nara din ang hangin, guys. Somewhat afraid, but this is so cool. I'm not sure. This is so nice, oh my gosh. Mount Kalatkat. Mount Kalatkat is goals. Oh, shit. Nakakalula, guys. I've been dreaming to be here for so long. Finally, I'm back in Guihulngan. Oh, this is so refreshing and so good. And I'm facing Mount Kalatkat. And I'm facing the ocean. And this side, the ocean is so cool. Tanyon Street, guys, at my back. Canyon Strait at my back, and then Mount Kalatkat in front of me. So we decided to go here, sunset viewing. Sunset is no longer here. This is originally my plan, so the team actually complained because if you look up the stairs, it's so really high. But once you're here, it's all worth it. Like, you pay 50 peso for the entrance fee. I think they have an al fresco dining over there for some snacks, or I'm not sure. Let's check out later on. So for now, let's enjoy the view. Okay. I'm gonna tour you around here. Let's go up there. That one, let's go there. This is so nice. I wish I was with someone today. Of course, not just normal someone special, of course. Let's go up. Oh my gosh. This is very romantic, but I'm alone. I still need to enjoy being alone. Let's go on top because I'm alone. No one's on top, so. Wow. This is so nice. Look at this. There's love locks, but I don't have anyone that I can, you know. Paris feels. So I don't have someone I can put lock together. Yes, my Philippines is so nice. Everywhere is so good. If you're an outdoorer. Oh, the sunset is setting. The sun is setting. Shut up. Ah, so good to be here. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Muna ako pamiyani guys.